In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vendor credit in Zoho Books. This process can seem a bit technical at first, but I assure you with these clear steps, you'll be able to do it effortlessly. So let's dive right in and simplify this task for you. First, you'll want to begin by signing into your Zoho Books account. Start by locating and clicking on the sign in button on the Zoho Books homepage. If you're using Google to streamline your login process, the next step is to click on Google and then simply choose the Google account you want to log in with. It's worth noting that depending on your internet speed, the page might take a little while to load, so patience is key here. Once you've logged in, head over to the Purchases module. This section is where you can manage everything related to your purchases, including vendor credits. Within the Purchases module, you'll find an option labeled Vendor Credits to Vendor Credits. Click on that. This is where we'll be working to create your new vendor credit. Next, click on the Create Vendor Credits button. This brings you to a new page where you can start filling in the necessary details for your vendor credit. Start by adding the vendor name. This is crucial because it identifies who you're receiving the credit from. Inputting the correct vendor name ensures that your records remain accurate and organized. Following the vendor's name, you'll need to add the credit note number. Think of this as a unique identifier for this transaction, helping you keep track of it along with other credits in the future. After the credit note number, add the order number, which links this credit to a specific purchase order you've made. This could be really helpful if you need to trace back any inquiries or issues. Don't forget to add the vendor credit date. This date is essential for record keeping and financial reporting. Make sure it's the date that aligns with when the credit was issued or agreed upon. Alongside this date, you'll want to add a subject. This could be something simple that describes the transaction or reason for the credit, providing an easy reference if you need to look back on the details. Now, add the item details. This could include what items or services the credit pertains to, the quantity, and any rates or amounts relevant to the transaction. This ensures that every aspect of your transaction is documented, maintaining clarity and precision in your records. Finally, with all your information filled in, click on Save as Open to save your vendor credit. This action secures the entry and allows you to refer back to it within your Zoho Books account whenever needed. And that's it, you've successfully created a vendor credit in Zoho Books. Remember, practicing this a few times will help in making the process second nature. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.